Good morning, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. So yesterday we had seen visualizing a trend data. We discussed with about line chart, area chart, and stacked area chart, and combination charts also we discussed, right? So today let us talk about ribbon chart and waterfall chart. So these are the things we discussed yesterday, I think, right? So today let us talk about ribbon chart and waterfall chart. So quickly open my Power BI. So and close this. Get AdventureWorks retail data. I wanted to load the data. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to take some card visualization and I wanted to have some sales amount here. Okay. So, and go to effects and create some visual borders. Okay. I could see some data here, right? Now, after that, I wanted to talk about the other visualizations, right? So line chart discussed, area chart being discussed. The next one is stacked area chart and combination charts. Okay, line and stacked column chart and line and clustered column chart being discussed. Now today, let us talk about ribbon chart. Then we have waterfall chart. Have you seen this? So this is a waterfall chart and this is a ribbon chart. And the next one we have funnel chart. So the funnel chart and everything we'll discuss later. But today, let us complete with the ribbon chart and the waterfall chart. Let me click on this ribbon chart and let us talk about the ribbon chart. So I spoke about ribbon chart already. I think whether you remember or not, I don't know. So let me just go back and tell you the, yeah. The purpose of ribbon chart, it is same as a stacked column chart. Stacked column chart, it is a sorting region-wise alphabetical order. But the ribbon chart sort the legend field well data based on the ranking. Let me take the stacked column chart first and let me discuss about it. Okay. So stacked column chart is this. Clustered, and I'm talking about stacked column chart. Okay, let me talk about, I discussed about this point. So let me just go and drag and drop the stacked column chart. So I wanted to have, let us say, what is the requirement here? I wanted to have some region-wise data, or I wanted to have year-wise data, something like that. Okay, so that is what I wanted to have. Year-wise, region-wise sales. That is what I wanted to have. Year-wise, let me just go and how to get the year. So you will go to the order date. Now let me drag and drop year-wise. I have taken this chart. This is what is called stacked column chart. Year-wise and region-wise. Where is the region? Region is available here. Region-wise, and I wanted to have sales amount. when you have year-wise, region-wise sales amount, let me just, keep this there. And I wanted to go to general and have some effects over there, visual border and a shadow. And again, I wanted to go to data labels and show you this. Okay. Now year 2005, and I have few, this is east region, then we have a, south region, then we have a west region, right? So like that, we have some data. Now it is 3.6 and 3.7 and 2.3. What is this color indicates? South region, right? What is the color indicates? South region. This is the best region, 2.3, 2.3, and 2.4, 2.5. But you are not able to see the highest sales in this year. 3.7 with south region. Here also 3.6 with the south region. Here also 2.4, 1.5 and 2.5. The highest sales will be in this region, that is south only. So here we have east. This is 10 and it is 12 and it is 7. So this is the highest one. So everywhere the south region is doing pretty much good, but this is not going up. So this is somewhere middle. It is not sorting the data based on some order, but I wanted to show the data. Highest value data has to come up. It has to produce the ranks. So what I wanted to have, I wanted to take the same thing. So ribbon chart. Now let me drag and drop the same values I wanted to take. First one is sales amount. Second one is year wise. Where is the year order date? Here I wanted to drag and drop. Then later I wanted to have a region. Simply click on this. If you see, both of them are showing the data. Both of them are showing the data. If you understand carefully, so now data is not sorted here. There is no sorting. Okay, it is simply printing the data, but here highest values are going up. Have you seen? 3.7 has gone up and 2.3 is came down. 2.3 is here, 2.3 came down. It is sorting the data. It is providing what is called as a ranking. It is also sorting the data. That is step number 1. Step number 2, plus it is also providing the ranking. So what is the ranking for this guy? So ranking is some ranking here, some ranking here, some ranking here, some ranking. So what is the color? This color is the west color, and it is having some west, north, west, east, some central. So it can tell you the ranking also. So let me just go there and let me mouse over it. If you click on this, it is going to be telling you what is the rank. If you wanted to know the rank, you need to move to the middle side. It is the first rank, right? When you come down here, when you go, so this is a third rank, and the same third rank is getting carried out. Clear? So it is same third rank, it is being maintained. Have you seen this? Now the lowest value is coming down, highest value is going up. So you know how this is happening. So how this is, whether it is increasing trend or whether it is a decreasing trend, we don't know, because it is in middle. But actually this is the top sales, it has to go up. So you can see it is in the increasing trend. But sometimes if it is come down, it may have rank number 1, rank number 1, rank number 1. If it is coming down, it will become rank number 2. So you can understand year-wise year how the rank for this region. Okay, it is a top. When you mouse over it, you will come to know what is the rank for this guy. Clear? It is sorting the data, storing the data. Now it can also give you sum of sales amount change. Okay, from here to here, it is also giving you the sum of sales amount changed from 2006 to 2007, 45% got increased. If you see the data, right? Sum of sales amount changed, the third parameter. So what is the percentage it got increased or decreased? It can tell you. So when you come to this middle, right? So 45% got increased from year to year, and still it is in the first ranking, right? So when you go down from here to here, when you come this side, it is now 4.9% got increased. So it is $2.5 million. And when you compare, so it is saying like that. So from here to here, it is, you don't have. So like that, you should be able to understand what is the percentage of the ranking and how it is data is being, sorted. Everything you will be able to see in the ribbon chart. So ribbon chart is similar to stacked column chart only. Similar to what, Nana? Stacked column chart. But remember, so in the stacked column chart, you don't have any sorting. You don't have any what is called as ranking. But when you go to the ribbon charts, you will be able to find out. If you remove the second one, and if you go and if you remove the second dimension, and both of them are same, right? So if you don't have the second dimension, remember, if you don't have the second dimension, so this chart, stacked column chart, ribbon chart, both of them are same. So there is no use at all. So when you drag and drop the second dimension, then only it is going to be making sense. When you click on this, and I wanted to know product wise, let me drag and drop the product. This is the product. Let me just go drag and drop the product also here. So which product is going good? So 3.3, that is bikes category, 6.5 and 9.4. The bottom of the line, you have other products. So always maximum sales is happening towards bikes category. And you can also see from here to here and what is the difference, right? So almost from here to here, the difference is when you mouse over it, you will come to know. It is 99.93% because 3.3, when you double it, it will become 6.6, right? But 6.5 sales is there when you mouse over it. The difference between this year and next year will be 99.93%. From this to this, the difference between this and this is 43%. From this to this, the difference is, it is minus. Have you seen? It is dropped by minus 2.1%. Clear? Even though it is in the rank number 1, but the sales got dropped. So if we wanted to know from year by year or over the years for the given category, whether it is in upward trends or the downward trends, you will be able to understand. Clear? But in this, you will not be able to find out any ranking for a given product. Whether your sales is coming down, going up, how do you verify? So if you wanted to coming down or going up year by year, if you wanted to compare, so this is not very good one. So you have to go in for the ribbon chart. Many managers are going to be using the ribbon chart because they wanted to track. For example, semester 1 marks and semester 2 marks. You have 80, 90, again 85. Whether you're going up or coming down, you wanted to verify. So how do you verify? I wanted to give the ranking. So after giving the rank, then I wanted to know whether it is upward trend or the downward trends. So what is the rank of your marks? And what is the percent of the marks got increased or decreased? Everything you will come to know with the help of what? Ribbon chart, which is same as your stacked column chart only. But stacked column chart where no ranking, no sorting is going to be happening. So here you will be able to see both of them. Okay, so that is what is the beauty about ribbon chart. Now, when you see what are the other values that you can have, x-axis, y-axis, legend, then small multiples, it is going to be dividing the chart, and tooltips, nothing else. And if you go and check, again, same x-axis, legend, grid lines, zoom slider, ribbon, colors you can change if you want to, change the colors, and data labels, right? So that's it. So not very, the not very important formatting, but all these things been discussed already, right? So that is what is called a ribbon chart. Definitely there is an interview question. So what is the ribbon chart and where exactly we are going to be using a ribbon chart? If you wanted to see the sales data year by year, and with the second dimension you wanted to experiment. For example, year-wise sales I wanted to have region-wise. How each region is performing on the each year I wanted to know. So that is when we're going to be using a ribbon chart. It's going to be giving you a ranking and a lot of other important parameters. Remember, ranking is given by the whatever be the value that you're going to drag and drop. Okay, ranking is given by this field. So which region is doing more sales in year 2008, you will be able to come to know good. But here you cannot understand which region is doing good. So it is not sorting the data. It is simply giving the data randomly. Now here it is arranging in the alphabetical order. So there is no first one, no second one. Here it is sorting the sales based on the ranking. So this is what is called region. Region is the legend. So this is where the ranking is going to be happening. Am I clear? That is what is the beauty about year-wise, region-wise sales data. When you do with the ribbon, lot of ribbon chart, you will get more benefits. It look like a ribbon. Have you seen this? It is looking like a ribbon. The sales is from here it is gone up. Have you seen? In 2006, in this chart, it is in the second ranking. It is gone to the first rank in this chart as per this data. Clear? So some ranks are, this is, highest one, and it came down to the second position. It is in the second position. It went up here. Have you seen this? Now, based on this, it can tell you whether it is going up or coming down. Right, so this is bottom of the place it is occupying. It is in the top position. It became the second position. Like that, you will be able to understand. So as I told you, ranking also dropped by one. That is also it is providing dropped by one, and it is increasing means it is up by one. So this mark also it can give you. Just observe whenever you do any kind of a ribbon chart. Read this ranking carefully. So there's a dropping or upward trend or downward trends. It can easily tell ranking is changing or ranking is as it is there. So that is also you can understand. Okay, so that is what is called ribbon chart. The last one in this category, trending data, is waterfall chart. Now, between two time periods, we wanted to see increasing trend or decreasing trend. We wanted to see the breakdown for given dimension. So that is where waterfall chart will be important. Am I clear? So I wanted to have year-wise, model-wise car sales. So I wanted to take one more visualization. In that, I wanted to discuss about my car sales. Where is the car sales now? I have to take the car sales data. So let me go to Excel workbook. There is a car sales and car purchases data. I'm talking about car sales data. So I wanted to take car sales data. Only I wanted to load this data. So now I wanted to know year-wise, model-wise car sales or not. I wanted to open this first. So car sales and purchases data. I wanted to show you this data first. Okay, this data has been given to you as well. So I have some data. If I wanted to take this data, and let me tell you, Ford car sales amount is this one, and year. So from 2002, from this year to this year, the sales is increased because 2000 and 2002, 15 to 16, it is increased or decreased? It is increased. BMW car in 2015, 1400, and in 2016, it is decreased. Have you seen this? It is got decreased, right? Kia car 2015 $3,000 billion sales and 2016 it is got increased, right? So where and all decreased, where and all increased, let me tell you. So this is a, increased only, right? So it is not in the red color. Let me just apply the same color. Now here it is bad. Now it is good. Here it is bad, right? For the BMW, the sales came down, and Kia, the sales went up. Ford car, the sales went up, and Benz car, the sales is gone down, right? It is also went up. Now I wanted to take this data and I wanted to analyze. So if I wanted to analyze this kind of a data, whether it is going up and coming down, I wanted to compare from year on year. I would like to see this data, and I wanted to take so waterfall chart, year wise, model wise sales. Let me take waterfall chart. Where is this available? This is somewhere here. So now let me go, and I wanted to have year wise. Where is the year? Let me go to car sales table. Year is somewhere here. I wanted to have year wise. So this is what, year wise category. And sales amount. Where is the sales amount? Sales amount is somewhere here. I would like to have the sales amount. Clear? But I wanted to see the model of the car, the brake, I wanted to understand by putting this category. As soon as I put the category, now you see wherever there is a minus trend. So this is a car that you should be able to understand here. So one by one, you should be able to understand, Benz, BMW, and this is in the, it is increasing trend, right? When you go to model Ford car, it is in the decreasing trend. Have you seen this? Now, like that, you should be able to understand this, right? So BMW is in, we have two cars, right? What is the one more car we have to discuss here? Car sales amount. One car I was talking about 2015 to 16, 15 to 16, 15 to 16, and 15 to 16. Right. Now, Benz car, there is a drop here. Benz car, there is a drop here. And Ford car is doing good. There is no problem at all. And the BMW car, there is a drop here. Okay. So here it was dropped by 1500 to 1250, means it dropped by minus 250. It is dropped by 200, right? And it is increased. There's no problem here. Only we need to see BMW and as well as Benz. So these are the things that we have to verify. Let me just go there and show you the data. So what is it showing? Kia, it is increasing, right? Benz is also increasing, is it? How come Benz is increasing? Benz is increasing or decreasing trend? Or did I? One minute. So let me just, so 2015. This is 2016 to 15. 15 to 16, it is showing Kia car. Yeah. Let me sort the data based on the year. So let me just go sorting by year number. Let me have the sorting by year number, and which is like this. Okay. Now let us understand 2015 data, then 2016 data. Kia car is increasing trend. Have you seen this? The Kia car is increasing trend, and the BMW car is not increasing trend, it is decreasing trend, and the Benz car also decreasing trend from year 2006 onwards. 15, these two are doing good. So in the next year, BMW and Benz cars are minus 200. minus 250, you have to sort the data based on the year numbers, right? So when you sort the data, you will be able to understand. So it is going to be giving you the data based on this. Clear? So between two time periods, we wanted to see the increasing or decreasing. So I have two time periods, 2015 and 2016. So I'll take Kia, I take Ford, I take the BMW, I take this. So Kia got increased. So Kia sales got increased, right? From 15 to 16, it got increased to, when you mouse over it, will come to know. So it is increased by 400. That means 13% got increased. So this is, you know, 200 only, 10% got increased. So the BMW got, decreased 14%. It got decreased. So that is what you should be able to understand. So for each and every car. Have you seen this? Now, if you wanted to understand between 2 years, I wanted to know whether it is increasing trend or decreasing trend. If it is increasing trend, I wanted to get like this. If the decreasing trend, I wanted to see this kind of a data. Now, this is the waterfall chart. Clear? So waterfall chart is very, very useful if you wanted to know whether your marks are going up or going down, right? If you wanted to have this data, you should be able to have. So the 2015 sales, complete sales is this much. Now the 2016, the complete sales is this much, right? So I wanted to take this 400, it is increased, 200 got increased, and minus 200 got decreased, minus 250 got decreased. So if you wanted to verify like that, it is going to be showing in the waterfall chart. Clear? Again, you have x-axis, you have y-axis, the formatting properties, or all the ranges, legend, grid lines, all these things you should be able to understand very, very easily. And these are common properties across all the dimensions. Okay. So what is the difference between a ribbon chart and waterfall chart? That is what we discussed. And ribbon chart, where you are going to be getting the rankings, right, based on the second dimension, right? Here you are going to be, using, year by year, whether the sales of this model is increasing trend or the decreasing trend. You wanted to break the sales, using this dimension value. So you need to give one dimension value. So you need to take one more dimensional value, and sales amount, whether it is upward trend or whether it is in downward trend, you will be able to understand it here. Okay. So that is what is called waterfall chart. Okay. So, so tomorrow we'll talk about KPI data. So, and the next one we have tabular data. So KPI data means, key performance indicators. So KPIs are called as these charts. So what are the key performance indicator charts? So all the charts are KPI charts. You wanted to know the grand totals and everything. This is what is called a KPI chart. We have used many times. So card visualization. So, and if you wanted to see only one value, you will be able to have the card visualization. But I wanted to have the multiple values. That is where we are going to be talking about this multi-row, multi-card visualization. I can see only one value. This is KPI data. And this is also multi-row card visualization. This is a KPI data, visualization. So this is again KPI visualization, like that. We have this. So, and we have a scatter chart we discussed, and this one got over. Then funnel chart is also, I think, part of this one only. So all of them we're going to be discussing in the day after tomorrow. So tomorrow, Republic Day, it is holiday, but morning 9:30, we have SSIS demo tomorrow. You don't have the class tomorrow in the morning. Okay. 9:30, we are going to be having SSIS demo, guys. And tomorrow, you please attend at 9:30. Tomorrow morning, you don't have any class. 7 o'clock, no class. But 9:30, we have SSIS demo. Please attend it tomorrow, SSIS demo. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we'll have at 9:30 SSIS demo. And from Monday or Tuesday, we are going to be starting fresh batch with the SSIS morning 9:30. But tomorrow, you don't have Power BI class, but you have the SSIS demo. And day after tomorrow, we'll continue with the morning classes. 7 o'clock, it will be there. Plus 9:30 also will be there day after tomorrow. So tomorrow, only SSIS you have at morning 9:30 a.m. IST, right? So if you have any questions, now you can ask me, guys. So day after tomorrow, we are going to be dealing with the next level charts. Okay, so that is what you can understand. So these are pretty much easy. We will be able to discuss them. Okay, any other questions you have? So tomorrow we'll be meeting with SSIS demo. SSIS is very, very easy, guys. And since you have asked me, I'm starting the live classes. And if I get less crowd, I may cancel this. So make sure that more people, please join in this batch. So that we will have a 1 month. SSIS is very, very beautiful concept and very, very easy also when you compare with SQL or any other stuff, right? If you know SSIS, ADF is nothing. I am telling you, ADF is nothing, right? So even though Power Query is a ETL tool, it is just like a dummy ETL. So we did not discuss about a lot of ETL concept. It is, even though it is a Power Query is ETL concept, it is a dummy ETL. We can perform very, very basic fundas. But if you wanted to understand what is ETL means, you will be able to understand in SSIS only. Even though ADF is a ETL software, many things made so easy, you don't know that with a single click you will be able to perform that. So in SSIS, at least you have to do some extra circus and do the ETL operations. But in the ADF, there is a simply a checkbox. Okay, ADF is even more easy. People who know about SSIS. Serena. So tomorrow we'll continue only with SSIS. Tomorrow morning you don't have any class. Tomorrow is the Republic holiday, so we don't have any class in the mornings. Thank you, guys. If you have any questions, you are welcome now. Any questions you have?